Join me as I dive into the mindset of the rich and see if I can uncover what they really focus on for building their wealth. When it comes to building wealth, there's a clear distinction between how the rich approach asset creation and how the average person does. The wealthy prioritize building valuable assets that generate passive income and appreciate over time. This could be anything from real estate and stocks to businesses and intellectual property. By focusing on these assets, they create a financial foundation that can support their lifestyle and continue to grow. Many people believe that wealth creation is all about cutting expenses and saving money. While that's a good start, it's only half the battle. The truth is, there's a lot of misinformation out there about how to build wealth. Some people think it's all about investing in the stock market, while others believe it's about starting a business. The reality is, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. What's more, many individuals face significant challenges in achieving financial freedom. High interest debt, lack of financial education, and limited access to resources can hold people back. The wealthy, however, seem to have a different approach. They invest in their education, understanding financial markets, and learning from their successes and failures. They're not afraid to take calculated risks and think long-term. This mindset allows them to build wealth over time. They also tend to focus on multiple streams of income. This might include earning a salary, investing in dividend-paying stocks, and starting a side business. One of the most impactful insights I've found is that the rich often focus on building assets that have a high potential for growth and income. They might invest in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which allow them to own a portion of a property without directly managing it. They might also invest in index funds or ETFs, which provide broad diversification and can help reduce risk. Another key strategy is to build multiple income streams. The key takeaway here is that building wealth requires a strategic approach. The rich focus on creating valuable assets that can generate passive income and appreciate over time. They invest in their education, take calculated risks, and think long-term. By adopting these strategies, anyone can start building wealth. What do you think about asset building? Have you had any successes or challenges in your own journey to financial freedom? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about financial strategies, be sure to check out my video on 5 simple ways to start investing in the stock market.